Uncle, have you come to meet Maha?
Yes, dear.
She is in terrace.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, nothing as such. Oh, Padma, we'll call later.
Maha, just a second. Please, Maha. Why do you act like this? I'm not a stranger to you, right?
Hello, what actually you want?
It's only you.
Mr. Karthi, what we had at the engage is just an infatuation. Keeping those memories and behaving like this is too weird, right?
Childhood. It's not the days like we are sucking our fingers. Or these things. Have you played like children like these things, huh? We were in deep love.
According to me, life is more important than love.
I can get you what you're thinking. Till now I'm a wastrel. But please believe me. Hereafter I'll be good in life, yeah.
Shall I tell you a small story? Newly married husband and wife went to a temple. When the stone heard a wife's foot, the husband questioned the stone. Sinful stone, why did you hurt my wife? The same husband and wife went to the same temple next year. Again the same stone hurt the wife. The husband said, can't you be aware that the stone is there? This is what? Psychology of men. I don't believe these fairy tales of love. I'm not ready to. Why so? When you really want to convince a girl, you will tell as if even you can carry the Himalayas. Once she get convinced, you will not even pick a glass and give her.
You know me about well, Maha. But please, don't doubt my love, Maha.
Hello, Karthi. Come to practical life. Nowadays, love is just a time pass. Keep flirting until we get married, or else just say bye and leave.
To say bye, what did I do, Maha?
You and me are not good match.
Yeah, what's the matter?
Just think, in wedding card, after my name there will be MBBS. But after your name...
Try to and be a history, Maha.
Okay, let's keep it BA. Is there a link between BA and MBBS? We can't even compete in studies. How can we compatible in life?
Whatever the things you're looking in your life, it may make you rich, Maha. But there is an happy that you have forgotten, Maha. You can feel when you find a right person, Maha. Even after all this, you're avoiding me means I'm dare to jump from here.
Hello? Yes, Mom. I'm here on the terrace. Yes, Ma.
Uncle, this is my toy.
Okay, dear.
Mom, bring mutton biryani when you come.
Mutton biryani.
Karthi, I told my wish. Rest is your decision. I'm leaving.
Maha, you're leaving? Go. You can't see me even you wish to. Let me die.
Why do you do this, my son? I just saw your parents on the way. They are so worried about you.
Hey, dude. I posted a poster on Facebook that you got suicide for love. Everyone is bursting in the comments, dude. For that, if you drank so much and fell down, you may get 1,000 likes. In movies, they will tell this dialogue, right? Love is so much precious. Nowadays, it is not the thing, man. If you tell them, they'll think you're mental. If you got break up in the morning, night you have to take someone and go to party. For example, see me. Yesterday Hema, today Uma.
Hey, listen to your uncle. Bharadiyar is the one who spoke about equality. But if he is alive in these days, he will definitely regret for what he said. There is no girl is perfect today. And your girl, she is already in higher position than you. Forget her.
You can say it. Easily to forget our brother. Only who have experienced the deep love can feel the pain, brother. Even pregnancy pain can leave within a day, brother. But the love's pain is... it's an hell.
Oh no! Karthi!
Mom!
Karthi, what are you doing now, Karthi? What is all this? What is all this? You are my life, Karthi. You didn't think of me. Why did you do like this? Tell me. Tell me. Why did you do like this? Tell me. Tell me.
I can't able to forget her, Mom.
Why did I ask you to come here? Do you know?
Mhm.
Knowingly, unknowingly, I have created an impression in your heart. Then the mistake is also my side, right? That's why I have taken a decision. The decision I have taken, you too will accept, I guess. You feel so intrusive about the decision, right? Okay, let me straight come to the point. From today, next 10 days, I'll act as your wife. However you want to handle a wife, you can do the same. Later, you are a different person, I'm different. Shouldn't disturb. What are you trying to think? I can understand. I'm not such a bad woman. I'm virgin. I mean, I'm a virgin girl. Hello. What is your decision? What? Okay, huh?
Dude, what are you thinking, man?
Buddy, I don't need ya. Please, you have it. Let me be a company.
Hey, have I ever treated you like a son? Just take a large.
Brother.
Everything will be okay. Come on.
Hey,
Take
buddy.
this, man. Take this glass. Hey,
Have
No.
it.
Buddy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bro, you want your lover to laugh at you like a clown? Or she want to cry that she just missed a greatest man like you? You decide, man.
Hey, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, brother.
What is this? He's a drinking monster, but now he's not drinking anything.
Hear that you're getting transferred. I'm gonna miss you, sir. Being straightforward, working here for a year is really a great thing. Let's have a coffee. Pull over. Okay, sir.
Huh? Why is Inspector calling me in the morning? Sir, good morning.
Congratulations, Swaminathan, sir.
To say congratulations, what have I done, sir?
From now on, you're collector's father.
Sir, I don't understand what you are saying.
I just saw the newspaper. Your son is an IAS officer now. Hello? Hello? Hello?
When people ask me what your son is doing, I feel very ashamed.
From now on, you're collector's father.
Daddy? What happened, Daddy?
What is this? What happened? Why are you crying now?
I'm not crying. This is tears of joy.
What are you saying? I can't understand.
Our son has become collector.
My son has become a collector.
Yes. From today, you are a collector's mother.
Hey, what happened? You didn't eat at all?
Not that. I am so tensed.
What is so important to become tensed?
That is because my family has went to see the groom.
Why are you feeling tense for that? What? Are you in love with someone else?
What are you saying? I want that groom. That is my tension.
Who is that person?
Wait, I'll show you. He is the one.
He?
Yeah, Sir is not like before. Now he is going to IAS training. Hey, my mom is calling. Wait, I'll go and ask her what is the issue. Hello, Mom. Tell me, Mom.